Okay guys, this is how the package came. I picked it up, it actually fell out and hit the ground. FedEx was a day late on delivering it because they said there was too much snow on the ground. I'm very excited to see that Gateway is back again. It was my very first computer. You kind of get attached to your very first car. If you're a nerd, you get attached to your very first computer, and this is it, the brand at least. It is just a cover of a Chinese tablet. They just put their name on it. So the website says. Their website really don't say enough about it at all, so I was going to just do a little review on it. At least an unboxing. I already cut the little things on the side because I'm going one-handed here. There's everything about it. That actually tells you more than what their website says. I went with the blue. That is my favorite color. It was just speaking to me. Very stiff box. Very, very thick box. Bulletproof type of box. I don't quite get the Sound ID thing. There's a lot of ads when you buy something, to where they're like, oh, this is greatest. And you find out it's something that's been out forever. I'm going to put the tablet to the side for now. Just see what all's in the box. A little ring. It says it's USB-C, which is pretty nice. Comes with a nice little charge brick. Charge brick that has no writing. Oh, there we go. Oh, it actually says Gateway on it. That's pretty nice since Gateway is owned by Acer. It's a 2 amp, so that's pretty nice. Not just a standard one. USB-C cable, and it looks like a single earpiece, or is it double? There's a double earpiece. They don't say Gateway on them anywhere. They just pop right into your ear. I don't know if you guys got to see them very well. Cheap headphones go in your ear. Gateway, it's the limited warranty in English, Japanese, Chinese, everything you need. Quick start guide tells you all about it. This is a thick piece of plastic, very well done. If you guys want to see that, you're gonna have to freeze the video and zoom up, screenshot, do all that. I'm going to put everything back in there. Back in the day, you used to get little stickers because their logo is a Dalmatian color. And didn't get anything this time. That was all that was in the box. Push that back down. It's all back to how it was. I'll put that below it. Now we're gonna see what this looks like open. Hopefully I got my pretty blue. There's my pretty blue. And they got a little cover over the emblem. It's a easily scratchable material. The camera looks different than what they show online. It looks a little bit safer. It's already got a screen protector on it. I'll leave that on there. No side buttons. USB's on the top. SD cards on the top. Headphone jack. Volume up and down, and the power button. It looks like there could be a microphone port right there. Okay.